Here at my labs, we're always trying to make your kitchen a better place, and that's why we've invented the ultimate non-stick fry pan. By dipping aluminum into our snazzy electric bath, we've created a super hard material called Black Alumite. Aluminum is a fantastic heat conductor, but it's a tad soft. Yikes. The bath creates a strong black coat of armor over the soft aluminum, making it a whopping 8 times harder. This makes it much more scratch resistant and helps it stay non-stick for longer. Observe. Clamshells are super sharp, so they make for a fantastic scratch test. Look what happens when we stir fry them in our regular aluminum compared to super hard black alumite. As you can see, regular aluminum gets the living daylights beat out of it, whilst our black alumite is looking fit as a fiddle. And finally, we top it all off with our ultra ceramic reinforced non-stick finish, which has been engineered to last and last.